Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of NeuroNation app. You click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NeuroNation and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and thank you for your watching.